Shamsi, here's your level 5 blueprint.
Office Dominoes. Ang isang ream ng bond paper ay naglalaman ng 500 sheets. Sa challenge na ito, kailangang ibalanse ng contestant ang 9 na reams of bond paper at magsisilbi itong giant dominoes. Kapag nakaposisyon na ang giant dominoes, itutumba ng contestant ang unang ream para mapatunog ang bell sa kabilang dulo. Kapag hindi ito nagawa sa loob ng 1 minute, ay maaari kang ma-eliminate.
Shamsi, sa Office Dominoes, isa-isa lang ang pagkuha sa rim ng bond paper. At syempre, sa finally, pag natulak mo na, kailangan tumunog ang bell. Okay, Shamsi, this is your safety level for 75,000 pesos. This is Office Dominoes. You have 2 lives left. You have a minute to win it. Good luck.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Concentrated. Okay, right distance na. Speed.
Sa dominoes, kailangan balik, itutulak mo yan. So while walking around, dapat dahan-dahan ka rin. Pag bumagsak yan, tapos tayo. And don't forget, pag natulak lahat, kailangan yung huling-huli, tumunog yung bell. 40 seconds. Last 3 rings.
Relax lang, sis. Go, sis.
25 seconds. Last 2. Tulak.
Kaya mo yan, sis. Oh my God. Oh my God. Relax lang, sis. Relax lang, sis. Go.
Level 5 failed. You have 1 life left.
Shamsi.
Okay. Still have 1 life.
Are you okay?
Okay naman. Kasi bumagsak eh. Sayang.
Ano ba? Napalakas ba yung tapak mo around the bond
Oo,
paper?
nung medyo nagmamadali na ako nung konti na lang yung time. So I had to rush. Eh di na-move ko yung floor.
I regret to inform you, you have 1 life left. Okay? Ito na sana, pa-safety level na to ng 75,000 pesos. Kung hindi mo nakuha, game over tayo. Babalik ka sa 5,000 pesos. Okay? Tita, baka may gusto ko yung sabihin na konting words of encouragement po para sa kanya dahil magiging last life na po niya to.
Yeah, Siyam, ang kailangan lang concentration, focus, and speed. So yun lang
Focus,
po ang kailangan.
grace, and speed under pressure. You have shown it to the whole world. So once again, can you please show us sa Office Dominoes?
So, you can make it.
Shamsi, are you ready? Shamsi, you have 1 life left. Office Dominoes, let's do this again.
Go, sis.
Huwag lang masyadong galawin yung apakan mo na.
Shamsi,
Huwag masyadong gagalawin.
this is your safety level for 75,000 pesos. This is Office Dominoes. You have a minute to win it.
The game begins in 3, 2,
This is Office Dominoes. You have a minute to win it.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Slow lang. Slow sa
Sabi ni Shamsi
pag-step.
kanina, medyo napalakas yung tapak niya. Kaya nahulog yung domino. So siguro, at this point, sana nakuha na yung tamang pacing tsaka kung paano magiging mas maingat around the bond paper.
40 seconds, sis.
40 seconds.
Kaya yan.
Relax lang.
Don't forget, kailangan tumunog yung bell.
Relax lang, sis. Relax lang. Relax lang. We still have time.
God.
Sige, one more. Relax lang, sis.
1 life left.
Tindig lang, tindig lang.
Relax lang.
Ganda, tindig lang.
Sis, tayo mo pa, sis.
10.
Go, go, go!
Level 5 complete.
Shamsi, you were so close! Akala mo hindi umabot?
Akala ko hindi umabot kasi 3-2. Sa bahala na.
Well, umabot at meron kang 75!